Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Last day of the October. Let's see, popped over, or how the guys are called this month. Well, we pumped after all. So overall, the Moon Boys they had a point, at least with Bitcoin. Altcoins, well, not quite. Morning, BJ. Morning, Sebastian. Morning, Rune, Christian, Carol. So, at the end, Moon Boys were right this time with Bitcoin. Altcoins, no. Be careful. Today will be kind of ugly to trade. I think we'll push back up to test the all-time high. Where we'll close the month, I don't know. But let's wait and see. Now, Bitcoin on daily. Morning, Colin. Bitcoin on daily. Yeah. Repeat after me. Market is strong. Well, it is strong. Look at it. $72,400. We had a pump. We stopped below all-time high. Yesterday was just a consolidation candle. Look, we cannot say that is a bearish one. No. Just consolidating. And we can stay here for longer. And if we'll stay here for longer, that will decimate beginners. Yeah? You will see traders losing money in a $1,000 candle. Over and over again. Sorry. Yeah? They made some money in this pump, and they'll lose it all here in a small candle. Why? They are going 5-minute chart and they are playing the trend game. They are thinking, well, we'll go to all-time high. Market will stay there 3 or 4 days, take their money, and then we'll pump. Don't be part of the public. Join us, learn how to trade, learn how to protect your capital. Yeah? In a move like this, if you are long, it's easy to make money. But you can keep the money. You can be consistently profitable. Well, that's a totally different story. Morning, Katalin. Morning, Andrei. So, we can consolidate more here. Yeah, the monthly candle looks pretty strong. Let's hide everything and let's look at the monthly and anticipate a close. Okay. 1 month. Go. Well, this will be the highest close ever if we close above 71,300. I think this is yeah, let's see. Low, high, close. Yeah, 71,296. If we close like this will be the best monthly close ever. Morning, Stefan. Morning again. So let's pay attention. I think we can close even higher. I'll be honest. I don't think we'll close below. I don't think we'll close this month below this level. I think we'll close a lot higher. But in the same time, guys, my opinion worth the same amount as yours or everyone else. That's 2 cents. Okay. So, let's keep our opinions separate from our trading. We have setups for our trading. We have plan for our trading. Keep your opinions away. It's hard, I get it, but you have to do it if you want to be a trader. Yeah, a lot of people are coming here and tell me that they want to make money. And it's really easy to prove that they don't want to make money. They just want their dose. Sorry, but that's the reality. Well, I don't know, Carol, if you're usually right. 55-60% of the time, but that doesn't mean anything. Without a risk management, without a plan, Carol, I'm the worst guy here related to trading. I have a plan, I'm respecting that, so that's helping me, that's making me profitable. Okay, so a lot of you are here for different reasons and you don't even realize that. If you work with me, you realize it. You'll not like it, but you realize it. And two people this week just said they want to work with me, and they work with me. Well, they took, I don't know, 5, 10 trades, not even 10 trades, and both of them, well, actually I have a problem. Well, yeah, you have. The idea is how the fuck you resolve that problem. Not that you have a problem. Everyone has a problem. Now, Bitcoin monthly, really nice and strong. Let's not put the close before we'll close. Yeah. So let's wait for the close tomorrow morning. We can come here, drink our coffee, and say, well, look at the monthly close. That will be wise from us not to anticipate and say, well, look at the close before the candle is closed. Yeah, that's stupid. But looks acceptable, looks really nice overall. I told you multiple times, repeat after me. I'm not usually saying that. If you think I'm saying that all the time, well, join Discord and you'll see. I'm not saying. I'm saying range game, range, play the range, make some money. But from 2-3 weeks, from this level here, I said, well, something changed here. So, again, repeat after me. Market is strong. Will get volatile next week? Probably yes. But we have a nice support now at 69. Nice one. That's daily. Indicators, you can see. RSI is trying to get embedded overbought, which is really nice if that will happen. It's really nice. Another exponential move will follow. OBV is following. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. So, I don't want to hear people panicking when we'll touch 69. And that's a buying opportunity, guys. That's what we are waiting for, a swing trader to enter long. A retest. Well, hedging a portfolio, okay, but what? You touched the all-time high and you want to short? You have a 3-bar fractal top? Also, you have something? I don't have anything. I just totally closed the other hedge. I'm waiting. If I'll see M's, if I'll see 3-bar fractals, if I'll see something ugly, okay, I could hedge again. That's Bitcoin on daily. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Well, still in this uptrend channel. Yesterday, at least showed us that it's alive. So it's still there. It's still Ethereum. Could do nice things, but was just a demonstration. It's back at slowing down again. We are in an uptrend. Usually this uptrend will break to the upside. Yeah, will not break to the downside. Maybe this time is different. Who the fuck knows? But I think we can do something like this. Yeah, something these lines. Not exactly. Don't quote me on that. It's just a squiggly line. Yeah, something like this. Maybe a bit deeper here. Who knows? Maybe no deep and we'll push higher. But I think we can push here and even higher than that. Yeah? Keep in mind, Bitcoin it's testing the all-time high, and Ethereum it's not even in the short reload zone. So don't get surprised when Ethereum will start pumping and recover the gap. Okay? Morning, Abdullah. Morning. So for the moment on Ethereum, well, really nice uptrend channel above 2,500, trying to test some highs here. I think we'll do it pretty fast and we'll push higher. I could guarantee you that Ethereum will break to the upside this channel? No. If I will 100% know that, I'll be the richest man. Yeah, I don't know. I have to work with probabilities. And by the way, guys, knowing or theoretically understanding the probabilities and working with probabilities, they are two different things. You can know how the probabilities work, understand logically, and when is about to put it in a plan and work with them, you just can't. So, you want to learn, you want to play, you want to understand, well, join Capo One, guys. It's the best advice I could give you. I'm helping some people, trying to get them on their way. They know technical analysis, but I cannot do that with 100 people separately in DMs. No. Join Kappa 1, you'll work with me. It's that simple. Okay, so Ethereum I think will push higher. Bitcoin dominance, strong as fuck. It's ugly to say that on YouTube, but anyway, I'm not an influencer. Okay, I don't have to behave too nicely. YouTube will not promote me. Well, so be it. I was hoping on 4-hour chart that I'll get an EM. We got something, but nothing clear. We had yesterday indecision candle, and you can see we are pumping higher. We'll test probably 61.8. I'll still wait for a 3-bar fractal like here or like here. For the moment, it's pushing higher. Let's respect that. Some altcoins will still pump, will still outperform, but 90% of them, they'll underperform Bitcoin. That does make them bearish. Just not the altcoin season we expected, or we are still expecting. Okay? So, let's watch this. I'm saying every day, watch Bitcoin dominance. Watch Bitcoin dominance. Why? It's in an important support and resistance, fib level. If you'll get a 3-bar fractal on daily or an EM on 4-hour chart, is the best start to front run a little bit, to get the first in the altcoins. Yeah, I'm still playing altcoins. I'll show you after I'll do the overview what I'm playing on lower time frame with Holy Grail. But I could be more aggressive. Okay, so this is strong. No weakness for the moment. We had some in indicators, but you can see now nothing. RSI embedded overbought. OBV is strong. No, nothing to worry about or to think about altcoin season. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, this one is slowing down, guys. I don't want to bet against it. Well, we can push another round. Yeah, it's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Who the fuck knows? But look at this RSI. This RSI is telling me don't be too bearish. It's from August until now. We are forming here bullish divergence. Price is going down. RSI saying no. What we just need a W on OBV here, or a bullish divergence on OBV, and we're ready to push back up. We already have a confirmed bullish divergence here, guys. A small one here. W, breakout. You can see. That's a bullish divergence. You don't believe me? You don't have to. Don't believe me. Please don't believe me. Verify. Low, lower low. Low, higher low. Neckline of the W. Closed above. Confirm bullish divergence. Simple. Okay. Now, that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin on daily. I don't think it's the case to go on 4-hour chart. We saw a W yesterday. Usually that W, I don't know if it will hold or not. I don't know what happened, but it seems like my internet is slowing down or something. And the OBS is telling me that it's at the max. Anyway, hope we will hold until we'll finish this live stream. And you can see here, we have some range, some going sideways. We can consolidate and push higher? Yeah. I'll bet the farm for that? No. Okay, now, DXY, it's rejecting from 61.8, it's forming an EM. Because we had a straight up move, I think we can consolidate here. We can get violent in the election, which we expect that. Let's see what will happen. We talked about Bitcoin, total market cap, nothing special. We made a new high, we closed above. This is an uptrend already, yeah? So total market cap, we have an uptrend. Total 2, almost. We need to close above this level. Still in the downtrend channel, I don't like that. Total 3 is trying, but still not. If we'll take this 665 level here, or 662, then we'll have completely a higher high, and then we know that we probably push higher. ES on daily, well, what do we have here? A warning sign, an EM. Could be just a consolidation for another step higher? Yeah. Why? I have the support here at this level. Will break down and will retest? Well, as long as it's above 5,700, 670 on close line, I'm okay with being bullish. I'm expecting volatility, especially on ES, in the news, close to the election. Everyone should expect that. Okay, but that doesn't make it bearish. They'll dump it just before the election or just in the election, just to scare people off and make them panic. They need to load again if they want to push it higher, so they'll do that. But overall, we are still strong. We are out from this channel though. Okay, even if I'll put this channel here, I can see we are out. Okay, we are outside of the channel. I don't see any EM at the other side of this trend line. The correct, technically correct one is this one. Still not an EM on daily. Let's see for our chart. Well, for our chart we have something but not an EM. And we just retested from 24. We retested the low. We are retesting the low. How will close the day? I don't know. We have big news today and tomorrow. And look at this. In Europe, and then we have in USA we have some news, personal income, personal spending, PCE, and tomorrow big ones. NFP and unemployment rate, PMI. News. Smells like ugly volatility to me. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? I'm usually wrong 50% of the time. Yeah. So smells like ugly volatility to me. News, election, a lot of reports here. Everyone is expecting a black swan event. How the fuck to be a black swan event when you are expecting it? Guys, think about it. Take the definition of a black swan event and then think about you are expecting a black swan event. Just think about it. I see on X on Twitter. I'm expecting a black swan event. How the fuck you can do that? How can I expect an unexpected event? Okay. Wait for a black swan event then. But it's not a black swan event anymore if you're expecting something like that. Okay. No, not this one. Let's go back here. So on ES, we dumped really nicely, but don't panic. We are dumping in the support. Okay. Indeed, if we'll accept on daily basis, if we'll close below this level, we can call it an EM, a big one, which is not the best sign possible. Okay, we know that. Will this just be a fake out and will play higher? Could be. Look here. We had the same fake out. Well, we'll go down. Where's just a fake out above all-time high? We'll go down. Remember? We discussed it. I said close line on daily. If we close below, then I could say if it's a fake out. For the moment, it's still strong, and we pushed higher. I'm saying the same here. If we close on daily below this level, and then if we close below this level, for the moment we are still strong. Okay, now strong but volatile from now on. That's yes. Let's go back on daily. Okay, now. On the lower time frame, trading with Bitcoin on lower time frame, 50-minute chart, 5-minute chart. What do we have here? Exactly like I mentioned earlier on higher time frame. Yeah, we pushed higher, and we have a symmetrical triangle, the best pattern ever that will kill the beginners. They'll buy here and they'll sell here and they'll get stopped out all over the place. The volatility is getting out from the market until it will explode again and people are losing money. All the money they made in the pump, maybe even more. Don't be part of that. Okay? I said I'll try to buy here. Yeah. I'll try to buy here if it will be the case because there are support levels, and if this one will not produce a double, we'll go to the next one. Look at the volume profile from 2 days ago. Okay, this is the biggest one, is the volume profile from the move up, which is important. That's why we look at this one, and look what happened yesterday. We feel that if you take this volume and put it here, you'll see it's filling the volume profile. Today is doing the same here. So it will explode higher or lower. I think we'll fake out to the downside and we'll push higher. But my 2 cents could be backwards. We can take the all-time high and then break to the downside. 50-50, no? Market is strong. That's my 2 cents. Here, today, on 50-minute chart, 1 hour chart, call it whatever you want. It's coiling up again. It's preparing for a next explosion in volatility. I don't think it's wise for us to be in a trade. If you want to be in a trade, then you know to play hedge mode on Binance or any other platform. Okay, if you know it. If you don't know it, don't even ask me, please. I'll not tell you how to play long and short at the same time. Either you know it or you don't know it. But here, I think we are at the POC. Yeah, from 2 days ago, from today, and it's not a good idea to trade at the POC. If you want to play the SFU game, you can play it. Well, you can think here, well, give me an SFU on lower time frame to the long side here. Well, we'll take the liquidity and it'll bounce. You can do the same to the upside back at the POC. You can even think SFU at the all-time high for a short period of time to give you a 2 or 3 to 3R. But here, I prefer not to trade. I'll look at Ethereum on the same lower time frame. It's looking kind of similar now, but yesterday Ethereum said, well, don't believe that I'm so stupid or I'm so bearish. Yeah? It showed us something. And it's slowly going back down in a kind of a long reload zone if you take this small portion here, the last pump. Okay? A W here is kind of bullish. I don't know if we can frame a setup there, but it's possible for an LJ, for something. I'll wait more. I'm not ready to say, well, I'll long on 50-minute chart Ethereum. What I'll do, I'll wait on 1 and 5-minute chart on with Holy Grail. Okay. And I could scalp there, I could play around. I already started yesterday and I said this week I'll play Ethereum on DGen mode. 5 minutes, 1 minute chart on with Holy Grail. Which is really ugly for beginners. I don't recommend that. Yeah, like Andrei is saying, don't forget to press the like button or the dislike 2 times. Next time, Andrei, please tell that. Tell people if they don't like to press 2 times the dislike button. It's a stupid joke, but anyway. Okay, so I'm ready to say something about Ethereum looking at the volume profile and everything here. No. Unfortunately, yesterday we had something to play. If you want to play the volume profile game. But now it's too small. You can see value area low 42, value area high 62. $20? Nah, come on, let's be real. The fees will kill her if we're trying to scalp there. Now I'll go on higher time frame, 4-hour chart for the rest of the altcoins because I consider it's the best time frame possible for things like Aevo. And we are in a trade. We are in 2 trades actually. Nothing we can do here. Let's. This kind of setup here now looks like a buy and pray setup, if you know it. You know buy and pray setup? You should know it. I think I could even go and look for buy and pray setup. Let's search for buy and pray. Pray. Let's find the buy and pray setup. Okay, I think it's here. Yeah, exactly. Look at this one. Look at how nice it is. Well, it's not clear enough. Let's make it clearer. Okay, look at this guy. Really nice, handsome guy. Yeah, buy and pray. We bought, now we pray. Let's hope that this W will hold and this one will hold and the lows actually will hold and will push higher. If not, well, you know what will happen. Stop loss, next boss. Okay. Alt, similar, but we don't have a W here. Expanding volatility, no setup. And still in the same place like yesterday, I don't like it. Doge, don't. I said it on higher time frame. Let me, I think 4 hours is good enough. Acceptable, anyway. I said don't chase Doge here. Why? Hunting liquidity here. You saw yesterday Ken posted how many Doge was pushed into the market. That doesn't make Doge bearish. If you are long like us from lower, okay. But don't chase it here. Don't open a position here. Okay? You are in the short reload zone. Swapping some liquidity up and down. We can consolidate before we'll push higher. We can even go back down and retest 14.5. Yeah, this level. We can retest this level and then push higher. And it'll still be a valid uptrend, a strong market. So don't chase here. Okay. Doji. We are not trading Doji. Motherfucker didn't come back to us to reload, but we bought here, we sold half on a double, we bought here, we sold half on a double, and now we are waiting because if this one wants to push higher, first stop 2.7, second stop 4.2, maybe here we'll fight a little bit and we can push higher. For the moment, nothing we can do. You have a position, hold it. You don't have it, wait in the long reload zone. Now the worst level you can think about buying it's $1, which is a lot lower. Don't chase here, please. Dimension, we are all over the place in the long reload zone. We don't have a new W here. Don't just leave it alone until we'll form a new W. Clear one. If you like to play in this location, look for other altcoins that they have a W. This one doesn't have a W. We can still consolidate. Fed. I will not talk about Fed. Everyone is asking about Fed. How bullish we are on Fed. Well, if you are bullish on Fed, go and buy it, and that's it. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying that I'll wait lower. Every day saying the same thing. This one. I said yesterday, I have an alarm. If I have an alarm, that means I want to do something. Okay? So I'll pay attention here. This is my alarm. If we come here, I'll try to buy it. I don't like the location, but I like the look overall. Manta. Well, look at something with a W and the retesting. Will be enough? Well, I think... Well, we have the W on 4 hour chart. I think we had some bullish divergence. We didn't have anything on 4 hour chart. But I could go on 1 hour chart and things like that. Well, we have an M. If you'll put the house level, the house levels will point you out here a fighting zone. Let's do that. So this is the M. No, backwards. Come on, short. Where are you? House short. Okay. Yeah, you can see the first stop is here. So here is some support. If you'll see the market dumping here and making a double, you can take that one. Now let's hide the volume profile. You can see the support here. You can even draw a long reload zone. Simple as that. You take the low, you take the high. Well, I should reload. You can see here. Wait for a W. House, long reload zone, waiting here for a W. Too many confluences there. Just my 2 cents. I don't see a W here on 1 hour. On 4 hour chart, looks like it's retesting this W. You want to take on 4-hour chart a swing trade? Okay, I take that one and I'll leave with the result. Put the stop loss all the way down here. Well, up to you. Sorry. But assume that. Well, I'm a swing trader. I'll take this one. Wait here at 67 cents. Take my entry. Stop loss here. Hunt a 2 or 3 to 1. Leave with the results. Osmo. Well, I said V bottom. I don't like it. Now it's in a long reload zone on 4-hour chart. Which means if I'll go on 1 hour, we are talking trading here, guys, day trading kind of idea. Okay, we had this gap, if you remember, on Binance. Well, what the fuck is with the gap? Well, we'll look at the gap. It's filled now. Yeah. And we are at 61.8 long reload zone. Please give me a W. I'll be more than happy to long or to buy. Okay. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart on this one. It's strong. All over the place, but strong. This one wants to push higher. If you want to chase this one, holy grail 5-minute chart. Okay, I'll just do it here. Just to show you. Look at it. Even gives you an entry. Could push higher. 50-minute chart maybe is better. It's starting to do something. Let's go on 4-hour chart. Let's close this one and take the next one. Okay. Saga. Wait in the long reload zone. I said, look at the setup. This is the setup we want. On lower time frame, I framed it, but look at this one. It's aiming out. We'll probably come back here and give us the best entry possible. Wait, be patient. Solana. All over the place. Don't short. I'll say it again. Don't short. I don't see a setup on Solana there. Neither. Well, Tao here. Well, we have a damn nice location, but this is not a valid fib anymore. Sorry, we wicked below. This is not a valid fib anymore. I don't see W's here. You can take the last one on 4-hour chart. Yeah, it's possible. Remember, you are in a downtrend. You are anticipating, you are trying to fade the trend and anticipate a reversal because we are in a bullish environment, in a bullish market, and we are trying to play the long side. We are at 61.8 from this swing low, swing high. Give me a W here. I'll be more than happy to long. Okay? So, doesn't look bad on 1 hour. On 1 hour should look even better. Let's see. Yeah. Wait here. Look for, you have location in the long reload zone. We are starting to get there. Now it's time to eyes on the location and eyes on the bullish divergence. Well, hello. Look at MACD. Well, hello. Look at RSI. Has a W already. Look at OBV. So there are signs there. Give me a W, please. Get it? Simple. I didn't do anything special. I just saw the market starting from higher time frame, going on lower time frame, see the location, see the swings, yeah, swing low, swing high, waiting here for a W. Give me the W, give me the bullish divergence, give me everything, and how long. Why I'm not too eager to hunt more aggressively on Tao? Because the motherfuckers, yeah, they shield this one too strong, too fast, to fill their orders because they are big influencer with big orders. Yeah? And now this one has to cool off. It's not normally pushing higher and higher as it should. He has to cool off a little bit. Just got in front of himself. Okay, if you'll give me a W, I'll make a try here. Tia. Well, we have a problem with Tia, no? I'll probably be stopped out even on this big one. We have a big unlock today. You have orders here at 4, at 3, at 2, at... You have orders? No? I have. I have orders even at $2 waiting. Alarms and everything. Why? Unlock? Panic? Some people will sell, will create more panic. That will be feels for me. I'm here to buy some. I'm here to prepare for the exponential phase of the bull market, not to sell, not to short. Okay? Okay. Yes, well, we talked about yes on a higher time frame. I could talk on 4-hour chart on this one. I could do whatever you want. We are getting in the support. Wait here. If you want to trade this one, Stefan will tell you the best. Wait here. On higher time frame, you'll see some key points. Wait here for a W. I think it's still a bullish environment. Or if we'll break this level, then a pump should give you a short. But it's just this level. It's ugly. Let's wait and see how it will resolve itself. Look at the support and resistance. Left, right. You can see it. It's pretty important level. It's fighting it. What will happen? I don't know. Okay, now I'll look at Holy Grail 5-minute chart. Well, I took this one in the morning. Why? Well, I think it's time for the price to go to the Luna, not to the moon. And it's a Holy Grail setup. I saw it, I took it. It's that simple. I'm hunting longs. I decided to play this one. Well, you can. It's still a valid setup if you'll take the next entry. If you have access, premium and VIP people, if you'll see an entry here, take it. It's valid. Floki. It's just fucking around. Didn't stop me out. I had the stop loss a bit lower. Didn't stop me out, but you can see it's at entry. I'll just leave it alone. Now I have a new uptrend, so I don't have any interest to do anything. I'll just wait. Ethereum. My stop loss was here. I wasn't stopped out. So I'll not close it just below my stop loss because we broke. No, I'll just leave it. If he wants to stop me out, so be it. Take my stop loss. Kind of idea. Okay? Doesn't look great on this 5-minute chart. I could switch to 1 minute if I want, but only if I'll see something. So, not even on 1 minute I don't have anything. On 1 minute actually I have a range here and I don't want to play it. So I'll wait. I'll wait on 5 for something else. Either to push higher, create a new uptrend, and me being already in a trade, I'm okay. Or I'll sit on the sidelines. Maker. I posted this one yesterday. I think Radu or someone asked me about Maker on a higher time frame, and I said, well, no, I don't like it. But showed up in my list here on Holy Grail, and you can see I took the trade. I posted on general chat yesterday. If you took it, good for you. If you didn't, next bus. And you can see stop loss should be somewhere in here, below this low actually, and it's pushing higher. It's in a trend. Nothing I can do. And I have some on waiting list. Okay, waiting for this one to give me an entry. Tao just to see what will happen. Nothing on Tao because it's kind of weak here. And Bitcoin is to trade just to have it close to me. Doge, I'm waiting for the next uptrend to start. If we'll start, I'll enter again. If we'll not start, I'll just wait on the sidelines. You can see no uptrend yet. This is 1 minute uptrend. I don't want to play it. Okay. So, yeah, they unlocked already Tia Andrei. Well, that's good. I'm still waiting. Let it cool it off. Let it form a W. Let it range a little bit. I still think they could, some of them could panic and push it lower. But if you are a dollar cost average guy, go for it. It's low enough. The lower it will go, the better it will be for you. Well, that's the list. I could look at more, but I don't think it's the case. If you want this indicator, you have to be a premium member. That's the cheapest way to get it. It's a bonus for premium members. VIP people, they also have access on Holy Grail. If you don't have access, please DM me with your username from TradingView to give you access. Okay. Really nice results for October from Stefan. Really nice job, Stefan. Yeah. Some people cannot follow what Stefan is posting. 75 trades on the day trading journal. That means he didn't include the swings and he didn't include the scalps. Really nice profit. Really nice job, Stefan. I don't know if Stefan is still accepting people there. We are still debating if we should include a couple of 2 people in the VIP as in the 20 people we have, or we should accept more. Yeah. Try your luck. I don't know how many people are still asking Stefan for a VIP. It's up to you. DM him. He will tell you. I don't think it's the case to debate it here. Yeah. But if you are a beginner, don't join VIP because you'll lose money. You cannot follow Stefan. Yeah. You cannot follow. If you are a beginner, just don't go there. Learn first, make money later. That's the basic thing. Okay, now let's take some requests. And I have to go back on the chat. Or you can post it again. Well, Nostradamus. Well, let's start from Sebastian Mesajus Nostradamus. Arbitrum on 4-hour chart. Okay, Andrei. I think this is a usual request from you. I don't know why. 4-hour chart. Range. It's daily. It's a range. Huh? It's in the middle of the range. Not the best solution to do anything. I don't see anything special. Similar. If we'll come back here at 52, 50 cents, you can try something. I'll tell you what. You are in the middle here. This could pump, but you don't have a location you should not chase. You can do something like this. Well, there you go. Well, long reload zone. It's in a support area. Look left. If we'll go there, take it. That's my Arbitrum. With 4-hour chart? Why not? 4-hour chart. I'll stay on 4-hour chart. This time I'll not go on daily. Yeah. If you really want to take something, okay, take this double here. I'll have to go on daily, sorry. You need a daily double here to show you the way. I don't like 4-hour chart. I like a W on daily, or you can go on a lower time frame and trade it. If you consider this is bullish and is strong, take the Holy Grail and play it with. Yeah. I could see a bot setup here, 1 low, 2 lows, the TRIR now, the drill, but it's too ugly. It's too all over the place. Yeah. You can even think this big yam, trend line the other side. I get it that the market is still bullish and is strong. You can see this was a downtrend channel up, and you can try a double here. Day trade already. Yeah. Ondo, 4-hour chart. Ondo, I think you asked me multiple times. It doesn't matter. I'm still in this range here. I need to go on daily. Sorry. Yeah, it's still there. Nothing happened. You have a daily W. It's a bit above the long reload zone. You want to take it? Well, it's up to you. Big range, big W, breakout, retest, pushing back up, and actually it's a range. Dollar cost average on this one if you like. I don't see a trade here. If you want to take this one, okay, let's assume that you take this swing low. Still this W is still above the long reload zone, which I don't like. But it's up to you. Another one. Well, I saw another guy ask me something. A new one, if I remember. Hello, and he asked something. I don't see that message anymore. Well, I'll post it again for this case. Yeah, it's consolidating here. That doesn't mean it cannot pump, but I don't have a setup with my rules, Andrei. It's a big difference between market pumping and me having a setup. I just told you that it's strong and you should use Holy Grail on that pipe. Yeah. But I could look on pipe here. Perpetual, I think I have some ink. It's strong. It's kind of trying to push higher. Cup and handle. I don't know how to say it, Steve and Olga, or Adam and Eve, or things like that. If you are a tier higher, you know, looks ready to push higher. I'll chase here now, but looks ready for the a really nice and clean bottom. Could explode here. If you can frame a setup somehow in this area, okay, looks ready to push higher EBA mark. Yeah. So looks ready. It's actually in a range. Could explode. Well, if it will explode, let it do something like this. Okay. Hopefully it will come back for you. Okay. Or even lower here. But you get the idea. Breakout and retest, and this is your entry. Anticipating a breakout here, kind of dangerous. Possible. I honestly, seeing this chart looks damn bullish, looks damn strong. The idea is how you frame a setup. This looks strong. This looks LJ. This looks whatever you want. Look at it. W the other side of the trend line. Well, we have 1 W, 2 Ws, 3 Ws. Cup and handle. Adam and Eve, or Adam and Steve, or this to be the Adam, this is the Eve. Yeah, you can see 1, 2, another something here. Okay. Looks strong. Frame a setup around it. If you have Holy Grail on, let's see, on 5-minute chart how it looks. 15-minute chart. Holy Grail, if we have something. Yeah, there you go. You can see you can play with Holy Grail on 5 or 50-minute chart. You just had an entry on 5 and 15-minute chart. Get it? Stop loss here. We'll stop you out, try another time. Looks ready to push higher on higher time frame. Someone said in Cayenne on 4-hour chart. Okay, I'll go on 4. I'll hide the Holy Grail. That is the last one, guys. Okay. It's kind of all over the place here. We have an M. You don't like that. Yeah. You saw Pyth looking ready. This one is looking rangy. It's still in the range and still playing around. And it's in the middle of the range, which I don't fucking like. I hate when I see something in the middle of the range. Could go up, could go down. And it's the best for influencers to tell you now to tell you it's bullish, tomorrow to tell you it's bearish, and the market will go up or down eventually. And when the market will go in one direction, we'll delete the other Twitter. I told you so. But I'm not an influencer, sorry. I don't like this price action. Looks like ugly. Okay, let's see daily. Maybe it will give me a better view. Well, still ugly. Power of 3 maybe here. But not even on daily. Just leave it alone. Let it show you something. If it's strong, let it break out $1 and then retest. I don't see a setup here. I see short setups and long setups, and I don't have an advantage here. And OBV is all over the place. RSI is all over the place. You can see RSI is expressing my view about this one exactly in the middle. So sorry, I don't have a setup there. I will just leave it alone. If you'll attack the lows, then I'll know I should hunt a long setup here. It's untested, weak here. Candle body lows, kind of 5 cents. That will be a nice area to hunt a long. If you want to long, well, let's do this. Look left, look at this in the long reload zone, wait for a double here. Simple is better. Okay. Well, we are approaching EBA. We are approaching that phase, but people don't know it. The public is not here yet, so we are still us fucking around each other. Even on meme coins, there are some beginners, but actually they are not so much money as people are saying. Yeah. When the big exponential move will come because the public is getting in, and That's you'll see altcoins making doubles and triples and 5x in a day. That's exponential phase on crypto and altcoins specifically. Now it's just a warm up. Well, let's do something. Yeah, let's play around. It's not the exponential bull market. I know it. Carol knows it. People with experience here who had played another cycle know that. This is not exponential. It's preparing something. We can even still get another dip in the election, and then that will be the bottom. Will scare everyone. Everyone will say crypto is a scam. It's still possible. On Crypto Traders Arena, we have the Road to Financial Freedom investment plan. That will keep you safe. Is using little old lady, so you don't have stop losses. You don't have to panic. And we have last chance challenge on premium with new coins. Yeah, again, new coins without stop losses, dollar cost averaging kind of idea. People, if you are not able to trade, if you cannot close the chart and not look at crypto for 1 or 2 days without panicking, stay on the investment side. Pay a premium subscription for 1 fucking year. Take all you can from the investment part and stay out. Trading is not for you. I'm trying to help some people because I see the potential, but 90% of the people are saying that they want money, but actually they want the dose. They want emotions. They want to feel something. Sorry guys, that's the reality. Even good traders have that need, but they control it. That's the difference. Okay, let's not blab away too much. Someone told me about this fridge idea. I think Carol was the guy. Still accumulating here. Read the story on Twitter if you want. You can go and read this one. I bought some here in the lows and I'm waiting for a double. And after I'll get my double. If I'll get my double, I don't care. Okay? I could go here and look at the other one with loose and shadow and okay. And that fridge pump it. Where is the other one? Not here. Huh. It's out. Mondo was another one posted by Carol yesterday in the free live stream, I guess, or in the premium. I don't remember exactly. Anyway, made a low overnight here last night, and you can see it pumped really nicely to 5x. It's going back down. Will recover. I don't know. It's meme coins, guys. You buy a coffee, or buy with pizza money, sell half on a double if you want, and forget about it. You don't know which one will do 100x. Anyway, I made a bad habit here. I love to talk with you guys, but I made a bad habit. The daily crypto plan, it's 1 hour long. 53 minutes already. My idea about a daily crypto plan was 20 minutes. Well, tell me if I respect my plan. I think either I should change the approach if I'm doing 50 minutes, 1 hour live stream every day, but that's not a daily crypto plan anymore. That's something else. Well, for the moment, I know I'm not respecting the plan, but when I see requests, I cannot say no. And I'll think about it, and I'll come with a new approach, or I'll do something about it. Yeah? It's not something bad. It's not something needs my attention now. When I have the time, I'll live stream more. When I don't have the time, I'll live stream less. Okay, that being said, join our Discord if you are not already. Stay on free part if you are an investor. Think about premium or VIP if you already know what you are doing in the market or you want to learn. We have couple one, a really nice offer. You have to join Discord and see what it's about. It's the best offer possible, but I'll not mention it here and shill it. It's up to you. You have to be interested to learn to join my couple one. Okay? See you guys next time. Bye bye.